Hello, my friends. Welcome to another episode of our farming documentary series. Today, we are going to delve into the fascinating world of cantaloupe cultivation. From planting and nurturing the vines to harvesting, processing, and exporting, this comprehensive guide will take you through every step of the journey. Let's explore the amazing agriculture behind cantaloupe growing, harvesting, and packaging. Cantaloupes, also known as muskmelons, are a popular fruit worldwide due to their sweet taste and high nutritional value. The process of growing cantaloupes is a meticulous one that requires careful planning and attention to detail. It all begins with the selection of the right variety of cantaloupe seeds. There are several varieties available, each suited to different climates and soil types. Cantaloupe is usually grown from seeds, which can be sown directly into the ground or started in a greenhouse. When the seeds sprout and the plants reach about 3 inches in height, they are ready to be transplanted outdoors. Before planting, farmers prepare the soil by thoroughly tilling it to ensure it is loose and nutrient-rich. Then, a layer of plastic mulch is spread over the ground. This mulch helps protect the plants from diseases and weeds, retains moisture in the soil, and raises the plants about 3–4 inches above the ground. Next, specialized machinery is used to plant the seedlings. These machines punch holes through the mulch and place the seedlings in the correct position, ensuring they are planted evenly and at the proper spacing. As the plants begin to grow, proper watering is crucial. Cantaloupes require a consistent supply of water to ensure healthy growth. When the plants start to flower, bees take on the role of pollination. This process is essential as it determines the quality and quantity of the fruit. After pollination, the flowers develop into cantaloupes. Farmers continue to care for the plants to ensure the fruits develop optimally. During this process, bees often facilitate pollination, enhancing both the quality and quantity of the fruit. As the cantaloupes mature, they begin to develop their characteristic netted skin and sweet aroma. The fruits are typically ready for harvest about 75 to 90 days after planting. The timing of the harvest is crucial to ensure the best flavor and quality. Cantaloupes are usually harvested when they reach full slip, which means the fruit easily detaches from the vine with a gentle tug. This indicates that the fruit is fully ripe and ready to be picked. Harvesting cantaloupes is a labor-intensive process that requires careful handling to avoid bruising the delicate fruits. Workers typically use sharp knives to cut the fruits from the vines, taking care to leave a short stem attached. The harvested cantaloupes are then placed in bins and transported to the packing facility. At the packing facility, the cantaloupes undergo a series of processes to prepare them for market. The fruits are first washed to remove any dirt and debris. They are then graded based on size, shape, and quality. Only the best fruits make it to the market, while those that are damaged or misshapen are set aside for other uses, such as juice production. Once graded, the cantaloupes are packed into crates or boxes, ready for shipment. Proper packaging is essential to protect the fruits during transit and ensure they arrive at their destination in the best possible condition. The packed cantaloupes are then stored in cold storage to maintain their freshness until they are ready to be shipped. Japan is another significant player in the cantaloupe market. In 2023, Japan's cantaloupe production reached approximately 130,000 metric tons. The country's high-quality cantaloupes are prized for their taste and appearance. Japan exported around 20,000 metric tons of cantaloupes in 2023, with major export destinations including Hong Kong, Taiwan, and Singapore. The export value of Japanese cantaloupes was estimated at $50 million, showcasing the fruit's premium status in the international market. Beyond the economic and nutritional benefits, cantaloupe farming also has a social dimension. Many cantaloupe farms are family-owned businesses that have been passed down through generations. These farms play a vital role in their communities, providing employment and contributing to the local economy. They also preserve traditional farming practices while embracing modern techniques to improve efficiency and sustainability. After the cantaloupes are harvested and packed, they embark on a journey to reach consumers around the world. The logistics involved in exporting cantaloupes are complex and require careful coordination. The fruits are transported in refrigerated containers to maintain their freshness during transit. Shipping routes are meticulously planned to ensure timely delivery, and tracking systems are used to monitor the location and condition of the shipments. In conclusion, the cultivation of cantaloupes is a complex and rewarding process that requires dedication and expertise. From selecting the right seeds and preparing the soil to nurturing the vines and harvesting the fruits, every step is crucial to producing high-quality cantaloupes. The journey doesn't end at the farm. Careful handling, processing, and export are essential to bring these delicious fruits to consumers around the world. We hope you enjoyed this in-depth look at the amazing agriculture behind cantaloupe growing, harvesting, and packaging. Stay tuned for more fascinating insights into the world of farming in our upcoming episodes. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.